What did you hatch, Penny? You got eggs? You got a baby in there. I know that's not your baby. You know how I know? I know that's not your baby. Oh, I see the baby. But I know it's not your baby. You know how I know? 'Cause that does not look like a baby chicken. What you got there, Penny? What did you hatch out, Penny? And this one? Here you go, baby girl. And this one's Pippin. See? And Mama's not happy that you stole her nest. She wants her baby. I hear you, little girl. I know. She stole your baby, huh? Look at that. Penny. That's a duckling. You can't be hatching out ducklings. You have to give her back. Yeah, you have to give her back. It's not your baby. It's not your baby. Nope. Doesn't even look like you. You're gonna have to give the baby back to her mama. Mama's over here fussing at you.